Hey everyone, welcome back to the One Shot Tech channel. My name's Rob and it's a pleasure to be here. This episode is going to be awesome because I've invited a special friend of mine called Twinkle to join me in unboxing the latest Huawei Band product. Now this is called the Huawei Band 6. But hang on a second, why is it called the Band 6 when the previous generation was the Huawei Band 4?
I guess that's because other brands are launched 6th generation of smart band, so Huawei think they cannot lose, right?
Yeah, then why not Huawei launches the band called Band 100?
Wow, amazing.
So now we're gonna get started with the unboxing of this brand new band. Director, could you pass me the box?
Wow.
Wait, what? Isn't this a mistake? This is the Huawei Watch Fit.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to re-record. Cut! This episode is to review the latest band from Huawei, and we're lucky enough today to actually have the 4 different colors available for consumers. That includes the graphite black, the amber sunrise, the sakura pink, and forest green. So let's unbox them right now.
Okay, let's get started. In this way.
So Twinkle, which of these 4 colors is your favorite?
Well, they look great, but it would be better if there is white. Wow, now I'm going to show you each of color one by one. Which color do you like? You can type it in the comment and let us know.
So now it's time to pick our favorite colors and try the Huawei Band 6 on for the first time.
Okay.
So the first thing that I noticed, and I'm not sure if you guys are noticing it as well, that the display on the Huawei Band 6 is actually noticeably larger than the previous generation Huawei Band 4. According to Huawei, the Huawei Band 6's display is larger than its predecessor by 148%, and the screen-to-body ratio increased by 64%. As you can see, the Huawei Band 6 has a huge upgrade when it comes to the display screen size compared to the Huawei Band 4. I think that's probably one of the major reasons why Huawei has chosen to skip the 5th version of the Band series and just go directly to number 6 because of such a huge upgrade. You're probably wondering, why would Huawei want to output a band with such a large display? And I think the reason here is, with a larger display, you can read more content, and also interactive experience is going to be much better than previous generation products. So what do you think, Twinkle?
Well, I think having a big screen on the wrist is certainly a plus. The tiny screen on Smart Band used to trouble me a lot, making it hard to read. But now, this Smart Band comes with a full-view display while being lightweight. I think a lot of women won't prefer gadgets are the way too oversized. The Huawei Fit is light, but maybe it's a little too big for me. The Smart Band I'm wearing right now is just right.
Well, maybe ladies do like more compact technology.
Hey, can the Band 6 be used in this way?
What?
Just like the way Detective Conan using his stun gun wristwatch in the animation. You know, he always aimed the wristwatch at Kogoro Muri to put him to sleep.
I get it now, but the Band 6 is nothing like the stun gun wristwatch that Conan has. Yet, it is the first Huawei Smart Band to support a side button, enabling a more convenient control experience. In today's market, most of the smart bands available integrate the power button into the actual smart panel. Due to the limited size of a smart band, the distance between the smart button and its screen is usually very close to each other, resulting in a higher chance of mistouch. The Huawei Band 6 thus adopts the side button into the design. You can access its main menu simply by pressing the button, which is a lot more convenient than having to press a virtual button.
Hey, I find the design of Huawei Band 6 is highly resembled to the smartphone. What's more, on its display, you can easily swipe up and down, left and right for operation, as if I'm using a smartphone touchscreen. Hey Rob, how about the battery life of Band 6? Like, I always forget to charge my digital product. And sometimes it's really annoying to go out and find the battery is dead.
Well, the Band 6 is actually really good for people like you that are scared of not having battery life on their digital products. The Band 6 actually comes with up to 14 days worth of typical usage, which is double the amount of battery versus the Huawei Band 4. In addition, the product actually supports induction charging, and you can charge it for 5 minutes and get up to 2 days worth of typical usage.
Wow, I'm gonna buy it to my mom, my dad, my brother, my nephew, my sister, my husband,
okay. This product has got great battery life, okay? So they're gonna love it. But not only that, it also has amazing health functions and supports SpO2 monitoring.
Wait a second. Other smart bands come with the blood oxygen checking, don't they? The latest Xiaomi Band 6 seem to have this feature as well.
Yes, you're right. However, the Huawei Band 6 actually has heart rate monitoring and 24/7 SpO2 monitoring as well, which not only keeps an eye on your health status, but also automatically generates an alarm when your SpO2 level is low. And using the Huawei Health app, once you've connected that to your Huawei Band 6, you'll be able to actively monitor your health condition and proactively make changes to have a more healthier lifestyle.
Well, this feature is quite important for young users. It serves as a health manager for them around the clock.
Yes, the Huawei Band 6 is not only the first Huawei product to support SpO2 all-day 24/7 monitoring, but also provides a full range of health monitoring services such as heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, and cycle monitoring as well. You can think of it as being a full health monitoring solution.
I usually like to run, so what about the exercise function of Huawei Band 6?
Well, you are in luck. The Huawei Band 6 actually has comprehensive health functions to support all forms of exercise. This is part of Huawei's total wear solution. The Huawei Band 6 has 96 sports modes. This comprises of 11 professional sports modes and 85 free sports modes, covering all daily sporting scenarios. It even has a new jump mode monitoring mode, allowing you to monitor the number of jumps when you're jump roping. Jumping rope movement data, such as the number of consecutive jumps, can also be provided.
Now, let's take a look at our data. We can find the detail recorded in the activity or workout history. It has the basic data including the distance, time, average pace, running pace, and calorie consumption. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye to the Band 6. Bye-bye!
Did you like this video?
We will delete and blur out every message you make.
What? Huh?